In this video, we will learn about creation of interest invoices. So interest is charged in case of late payments to the suppliers, and these interest invoices are generated automatically. Also, the distribution is generated automatically and it cannot be entered manually for interest invoices. System will calculate that interest on that invoices as per the due date and the interest being specified in the system. Also, this option is specific to the supplier. So if that interest invoices is enabled for the supplier, system will automatically generate that invoices in case of late payment has been made to those suppliers. So in case where we have the vendor agreement and where we agree to pay the interest to our suppliers in case of late payment and the required setups are there, system will generate that invoices automatically. Before we check on the generation of interest invoices, we need to ensure that required setups are in place, which will generate that invoices. So first option we have to check under manage invoice options for payables, which has the creation of interest invoices is enabled and the distribution details are there. Then we need to ensure that interest rates are specified for our date range. And third option is under the suppliers side, we need to see that creation of interest invoices is enabled. So we'll go on to setup and maintenance. We'll check on the first setup, manage invoice options under payables. So on the search task screen, we will check the configuration related to manage invoice options. We'll click on manage options. Since our business unit has already selected a scope, we'll navigate to the interest section and see that create interest invoices is enabled and interest expense distribution details are there. Minimum interest amount that indicates that this amount has to be exceeded in order for system to generate that invoices, and the allocation method, whether it's a single or across all the invoice lines. So once we validate these setups are there, next we need